Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a brand new video. First of all, if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest update. First of all, open a link which is going to below in the description. As you open the link, you can see the dashboard like this. Blockchainfx.com BFX pre-sale is live. Here we can see various options in the header section. What is blockchain FX? How to buy a white paper, referral, win $500, connect wallet, and select your language. I'll tell you each and every option step by step. Be with me till the end of the video. The first crypto trading super app, Blockchain FX, is a next generation crypto exchange that connects DeFi with traditional financial markets. It's the only one Web3 platform offering access to stocks, forex, ETFs, and more. The first crypto exchange bridging blockchain and finance, Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold, Tesla, and over 500 plus more assets, awarded as the best new crypto trading app of 2020. If you want to purchase the BFX, which pre-sale is live, just click connect your wallet and then you will able to purchase BFX very easily. I here again we can see the option of BFX by BFX. Blockchain FX and BFX is featured in CoinMarketCap, Binance, Blockonomy, Coinpedia. BFX pre-sale. BFX is the world's first cryptocurrency backed by global multi-asset trading platform where holders receive USDT rewards anytime someone trades, even during the pre-sale. Here we can see the total value right here. I already told you how to buy. Choose a payment method, connect your wallet, choose your preferred payment method, enter the number of BFX you want to buy, confirm transaction, start earning today, claim, and then launch Uniswap. It's very easy. Like we'll receive 192k BFX in exchange of 1 Ethereum. You can also exchange through BNB, USDT, Solana, BTC, and more coins. Security verified by industry experts, CoinCert, Certic, Solid Proof, Team KYC verified by Solid Proof, external audit by Certic, external audit by CoinCert. So it's very secure. Imagine getting into Coinbase or Binance at a day one. That's exactly what BFX is offering right now in its pre-sale. Claybro, crypto YouTuber with 136k followers. Pioneer Crypto Exchange pioneering Blockchain FX is redefining the future of trading with an all-in-one decentralized platform where users can trade anything, anywhere. Currently in beta and awarded Best New Crypto Trading App of 2025. I already told you about it. Or you can watch live trading by just clicking on here. Blockchain FX demo. In just a few seconds, users can trade BTC, Tesla, Gold, PEEP, ETFs, CFDs, and more all seamlessly on one powerful platform. Buy BFX while live trading here. More than 500 assets. I already told you about it. You can also stake your rewards, daily staking rewards. Stake your coins to get rewards on BFX. Stake your BFX personal dashboard staking rewards. How it works: Blockchain FX is a global exchange where users can trade crypto, stocks, forex, ETFs, and more. I already told you about it. Each and everything is very super easy. BFX and USDT staking rewards, daily buybacks, burn BFX coins, BFX Visa card, metal or 18 karat gold card. Top up with BFX and 20 plus crypto up to 100k per 100k dollars per transaction, up to 10k dollars monthly ATM withdrawals. Use BFX and USDT rewards for payments. And benefits of buying BFX during the pre-sale: lowest token price before launch, limited edition BFX Visa cards, exclusive bonus trading credits, daily USDT staking rewards, get special bonuses starting from $1,000. Novice NFT, Advanced NFT, Pro NFT. You can purchase these NFTs with $1,000, $2,500, and with $5,000 to get profit. Biggest buy in competition. Here is a leaderboard of biggest buyers. As you can see, you can load more to see more. Bridging crypto and finance. Here is the tokenomics of BFX. Crypto $89 billion, ETFs $150 billion, commodities to $50 billion, US stocks $700 billion, bonds $1.1 trillion, forex $7.5 trillion. The first crypto exchange that pays its holders. So that's the today's video. Hope so you'll understand the video. Here's the token details. I already told you about it. 50% pre-sale bonus, 50% pre-sale, 15% pre-sale bonus, 5% development, 5% team, 20% liquidity, 5% reserved for CEX listings. Token name Blockchain FX, launch on Uniswap and CEX. Token type Ethereum. Token symbol BFX decimal 18. Total supply 3.5 billion tokens. Here the token contract address is the roadmap. Genesis Foundation take of preparation execution launch. Launch is ongoing while execution and preparation are already completed. Our award speaks for themselves. We got best trading platform of 2025, the CoinRise, and altcoin daily fastest growing trading broker of 2025. Here is our press and media. Coin Market Cap, Binance Square, Tech Bullion are saying about us. You can click to read the article about our platform. What traders say about blockchain effects. If you have any frequently asked question, just click here and you'll get your question very easily. Hope you understand the video. If you understand the video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. We'll meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.